how to create a second TikTok account on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a second TikTok account using your mobile device. Whether you want to keep your personal and professional content separate or just want to explore different themes. It's super easy, let's get started. First, make sure you have the TikTok app installed on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you have it, go ahead and open the app. When the app opens, you'll see the main feed. Now tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines or the three dots in the top right corner of your profile page. This will open the settings menu. Look for the option that says Manage Account and tap on it. Now you'll see your account details. Scroll down until you find the option Switch Account or Add Account. Tap on that. TikTok will prompt you to log out of your current account. Don't worry, you can log back in easily. After you tap Switch Account, you'll see options to log in or create a new account. To create a new account, select Sign Up. You can sign up using your phone number, email, or other social media accounts. Choose your preferred method. Now fill in the required details such as your date of birth, username, and password. Make sure to choose a unique username for your new account. Once you've filled everything in, tap Next to continue. Follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. You may need to verify your phone number or email address, so keep an eye on your messages. Once verified, congratulations, you've successfully created a second TikTok account. To switch between your accounts, go back to your profile, tap on the profile icon again, and then tap on your username at the top of the screen. This will show you a list of your accounts. Just tap the one you want to use and you're all set. And that's it. You now have a second TikTok account ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy TikToking.